So ITWeb is a proud sponsor of the ITWeb Security Summit in Cape Town. Cybersecurity costs is an interesting topic. What we've seen in the market is there's multiple aspects to it, right? There's inefficiencies in the way we spend around cybersecurity. A lot of the time we go out and buy the latest and greatest tools, but we don't focus in on the operational efficiencies. And that's where we need to start looking at how do we build efficiencies into our cybersecurity spend, number one. And tool sprawl is a big thing, right? So we go out and buy the latest and greatest, and how do we manage this? And as we grow the tool set, we grow the requirement for skills to manage these tool sets. So what we're starting to see is there's some massive challenges coming in cybersecurity skills required. They're either very hard to find, so very scarce, very hard to hold on to, and are becoming excessively expensive. It's great just being able to network and meet our industry peers. I think a lot of the time we get very focused in what we do, be it a vendor, be it a customer, be it a partner, but really just to discuss some of the challenges that we've seen, some of the successes that we've seen in the market as well. Artificial intelligence, a lot of the time is about making humans more efficient, but AI is good for the bad guys and good for the good guys. So what we need to start doing is start looking at how do we fight artificial intelligence with artificial intelligence, wrapping the human element around this that helps us build business context around cybersecurity. Security operations is a massive focus at the moment. Gone are the days where I can just put tools in place and try and have different people managing it. I need to build efficiencies into my cybersecurity strategy and my cybersecurity spend. So we'll talk a little bit around that. And we focus very heavily on a service-based approach. So trying to move away from having to put products in place that I now need to manage is having a cloud-based service approach that helps us build an outcome-based security solution to our customer base. And by this, we reduce the risk and the overall risk to our customers on our service platform. So please join us at the ITWeb Security Summit in Cape Town with workshops on the 29th of May and the event on the 30th of May. We look forward to welcoming you there. It would be great to get your insights, understand some of your challenges and some of your successes. Please go and register if you'd like to secure a seat at www.itweb.co.za.